Hey, what's going on, guys? I got a 2015 Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb. So go ahead and pop the hood, and you're going to open it right here with that latch. And the light I'm changing is going to be this one right there. So it is an H11 bulb. I've got my H11 bulb there. And you actually disconnect it by pushing on the tab there, and you remove it by just rotating it like this and pull straight out. You can see the filament on this one is pretty well busted. So I'm going to get my new bulb, and you're going to be careful not to touch the glass or you can make the bulb burn out prematurely. You just push that in there like so, rotate it until you hear a click. It'll be pointed straight down. And then you just plug it in like that. Pretty simple. So that's the low beam bulb. The high beam bulb, you pretty much do the same thing, and it's right there. So that's that. Let me know if you guys have any questions.